In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank statement in Quicken. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now to reconcile a bank statement in Quicken, you need to follow this step. First step is login in your Quicken software. So just enter your Quicken ID and password, or you can also enter your email ID and then log in your account. After that, you will be able to see this dashboard where you can see all of your bank statements and all the transactions related to your account. And from there, to reconcile your bank statement, you first have to look for this accounts option at the top of your screen. So you have to just look for this account row, and at the end of this row you will see this three icon. So you have to click on this gear icon or the setting icon at the last at the right side. So just click on this option, and once you click on it, it will open up a drop down menu where you can see several tools or options for related to your account. So from there you have to click on reconcile option. It will be labeled as reconcile your bank statement or reconcile statement option. So just click on it, and once you click on it, this will show you this option or this window. From here you have to select your details. So just in the first section, enter your ending statement date and then prior balance and ending balance. And then after, you can also categorize your interest or bank charges if you want. So just enter all of these details correctly. And once you have satisfied with details and enter all the prior details, you just need to click on this OK button, and your bank statement will be reconciled in Quicken. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.